Hi everyone, it's Anand. Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. In this video, we are talking about help system in PowerShell. So check, we'll see how get help can be of great help in PowerShell. Let's start. Let's start by getting help on get help. So we need to type get help space get hyphen help, hit enter, and there are lots of information on the screen. And if we check carefully, we see these informations are into different section, which is name, syntax, aliases, remarks. The syntax section of GitHelp has a six set of results, and all these six set are mutually exclusive. It means we cannot use the parameter from one set to the we cannot mix the parameter from one set to other set. For example, we cannot use full and detail parameter in the same set of command. When we run get help for the first time, PowerShell downloads help files from internet. What we can also do is run update help manually and download the help files from internet. So if I run update help, hit enter. So help is complete with some error message. Okay, it says we need to run the PowerShell console as an administrator. Let me start the PowerShell as an administrator. So let me close this and search for PowerShell, run as administrator. Let me run update help again. It's completed with some error, so it could not update some of the module, but for now it all looks good. Let's come back to get help again. So I'll type get help hyphen name get help, hit enter. Now if you notice, the information this time is bigger than the previous times. So we have name, synopsis, syntax, descriptions, related link, and remarks. And we see more options, more detailed in each of these sections. Let's try get help name, get help full, full parameter. This time it's very detailed. And if you notice, we need to scroll way up to read the details, the info from the start. What we can do, we can use help alias instead of get help. Help name get help. This time the page is waiting for the input so that we can go back, we can read the next line or next page. It will show me next line if I hit enter. If I hit spacebar, it will go to next page. I might be interested in very specific, a specific info. So what I might be interested in getting only the examples, so I know what kind of commands that will be useful. So I can type get help, help, get help, hyphen examples, and it gives me examples of commands for the different scenarios. Let me press Ctrl C to exit. If I'm interested to check help for a specific section, for example, if I do help, get help, parameter, name, I can get the info on that specific parameter. If we want to read the output in a separate window, we can use out grid view, pipe out. What we can also do is use online parameter. We can use help command to find the commands. So if I type help space process, hit enter, I'll get the commands related to process. What we can also do is use asterisks at start and end. For this particular command, the output looks same. But in case we are using wildcard, we have to be careful to use it at the start of the name or at the end of the name. If we specify a value with hyphen, we'll get an error. So if I run hyphen process, I'll get an error because PowerShell thinks hyphen process is a parameter. What we can do is use hyphen with the asterisk at start, and we will get the result which is matching for this value. If we specify a value which does not exist in a command, for example, if we look for processes, PowerShell cannot find processes in command, so it does a search on every help topic, and then it gives an output of every search result that it can find, and this search result can be enormous. Now what we have seen, if help can find only one match, it provides the help topic for that value. If it finds more matches for that command, then it gives the output of all the commands that it can match. So for example, help get process. Let's take another example. Help, wildcard, hotfix. So in this case, there is only one command that help can find, and it gives the help result for that value. It's not only that help can provide help topic of the command, but it can provide help topic for the words which don't have help topic. For example, help more, and we don't find any detail for more, but we can still find the help topic for this text. I hope this session has been very interesting. Let's take a challenge to learn a PowerShell command daily. So there is an interesting command that we can use. Get command, pipe it to get random, get help, full. Hit enter and then look for the command. The second time you run this command, you get a different command to learn about. Hope you're enjoying. If so, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.